Hi dear friends, I have a Samsung brand washing machine. It's showing 4E error. Let me check what was the problem exactly. This is 4E mean actually water not coming to the machine. This is the problem. हाय दोस्त, हम आज आप लोगों को शो करता है मेरे पास एक सैमसंग डिशवॉशर है. उसका एरर मैसेज आता है 4E. 4E मीन एक्चुअली पानी नहीं आता है मशीन के अंदर. और हम चेक करेगा क्या इनलेट वाल्व का प्रॉब्लम है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. जस्ट लेट मी चेक. फर्स्ट सपोज आई हैव टू रिमूव द cover and both side. And yeah, guide it will come on my left side. It's like that. I have to remove all. I remove only the left side cover, and here yeah, guide and inlet valve here down. I will remove and check what was the problem exact. हम आप लोगों को दिखाएगा अभी ये इनलेट वाल्व का प्रॉब्लम है, ये कैसा तरतीब करने का है, क्या सॉल्यूशन है. Just I remove like this inlet valve. The solenoid already defective, because of that water not coming to the machine. Now what I'm going to do, I don't have actually the same inlet valve. Because of that I have to do some modification. For this customer also, he need very quickly. Because of that I'm going to do some modification. That's mean actually this is 225 watts. Just 220 to 45 watts solenoid. The same any washing machine inlet valve we can fix back of the machine, and I will show you. हम आप लोगों को दिखाता है ये कैसा फिक्स करने का है. Just I found one inlet valve. This is same watt, 220 230 power, and it is from the washing machine. And I will going to fix this one. I already connected like that, and I have to fix to the machine. We have to remove the bottom cover. So I already removed. It's like that. It will come here. One floating sensor also here. I disconnected already, and it's very easy to fix this valve here. Here I already install here. I already fixed like that inlet valve, and also here to the guide assemble. Now I'm going to open the machine. I already connected water line here, and now I'm going to start the unit. We'll see what will happen. And I'm selecting 1 hour program. Start the machine. This is running drain motor. Yes, 1 hour program. Yes, it is working now. The water coming. Yes, friend, it is working now. Fine. No any message. Nothing. Machine is working fine. I'm opening and I have to check. See it's working properly.